So hey guys, welcome to my channel. I am Aniket Singh and currently I am pursuing Bachelor of Technology from the prestigious Iiitkota. Currently I am in second year now and my branch is ECE, and I want to thank my associate professor Dr. ANKUSH VASHISHTA SIR for providing me this golden opportunity to create a project. In this project I have to select an image and then mark 500 points on it and will write my roll number, that is 2070, that is 2070, and will find the minimum distance between the first point and the 500 point, and the minimum time I will take to execute the code, the more marks will I get. And also I have to save these points and all the coordinates in an Excel file using my program in Python. So what are you waiting for? Let's get started. As you can see, this is the code of my project, in which I have used some Python libraries. That is, I have used importing modules. I have used import CV2. It is used to open CV, which is used for open image processing, and I have used import math, which is used for calculating mathematical operations, and I have used import numpy, NP. It stands for numerical Python. It consists of multi-dimensional array objects and perform operations on array. And I have imported time to display time. Then we need to calculate the distance between all the points. So we have used 4 coordinates and 4 variables, that is x1, y1, x2, y2, a0, b0, i0 and j1. Now after initializing variables x1, x2, y1, y2, we are creating list for storing data. This list is used for storing data between points. List x is used for storing x coordinates. List y is used for storing y coordinates. To display the points clicked on the image, we have used define click event, event x, y, flag and parameters. To check the left mouse click, we have used if event equals to cv2 dot event underscore left button down. In our program, if we left click, then it will mark point like 1, 2, 3, 4 dash 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 till 500. But if we click right button, then it will find the distance between first and the last nth point. Now we will be creating global variables that will scope throughout the program. We have creating global x1, x2, y1, y2 max distance, global a, b and I, and list x, y and global j. Now we will be inserting data in the list. So we are using list x dot insert bracket I comma x and list y dot insert I comma y, and now we will be printing x and y. So this is a formula which we have used to find the distance between 2 points. So this is distance is equals to mat dot distance bracket list x j minus 1 list y j minus 1 comma list x j comma list y j. So now we are using if and else, that is we are using condition. So if distance is greater than maximum distance, then maximum distance equals to distance, that is distance value is transferred to max distance, and x1 equals to list x j minus 1. So list x j minus 1 value is entered in x1, and x2 value is equals to list x j, and y1 value is list y j minus 1, and y2 is equals to list y j. So now we are printing list. So we have used print list. It will print all the list. I is equals to I plus 1 and j is equals to j plus 1. This is used for incrementing and changing the points and addition of, like simply we can say 1, 1 plus 2, 1 plus 3. It will use for addition. Now we are using, now to display the number of the image, we have used font is equals to cv2 dot font underscore Hershey underscore simplex, and we have used cv2 dot put text image string I comma xy comma font, and we have used cv2 dot image show image dot jpg. That is, we have used an image to display the all the points. Now to check the all the right mouse click and all the distance measure, we have used if event equals to cv2 dot event underscore r button down. It will display the coordinates in the module and also save the Excel file. So it will display the coordinates on the shell and it will display the minimum execution time to the code. As you can see, we have used print x comma y and print list and print max distance between any 2 points. We have used this to display the coordinates on the of the image. So we have used font equals to cv2 dot font underscore Hershey underscore simplex to display the line, and we have used cv2 dot line image x1 y1 x2 y2 255 6 2 and 2. We have used this to save an Excel file, which I will show you later. So you can see data x is equals to np dot save text assignment to data x csv. It is saving x axis coordinates, and data y is equals to np dot save txt assignment to data y dot csv. It is showing and saving data y coordinates points. And we have used cv2 dot image show to show an image. Print percentage s seconds to display the time, start time and end time. And cv2 dot destroy all window, it will destroy all the windows and close the program. So to display and read the image, we have used image equals to cv2 dot im read. It is the location and the link of the image which I have used. It is the image of an boy, so I have used boy.jpg. To display an image, we have used cv2 dot im show. So to set mouse handling for this image and calling the event function, we have used cv2 dot set mouse callback image comma click event. Now we have used cv2 dot wait key bracket 0 bracket. We have used this for key to be pressed for exit. It will show infinitely points until any key will be pressed. And at last we have used cv2 dot destroy all windows. It will destroy all the window and close the program and show the final results. As you can see, our code part is finished, and now I will show you working of my. So guys, as you can see, now I will show you the working of my project. So here is the image that I told you. So now we will mark 500 points and will write my roll number. It's very tricky part, so you need to be patient as it will take a lot of time. So I will write 2 070. As I have to write 500 points, so I am doubling it. As you can see, we have completed 200 points till now, but we have to write 500, so we'll need to mark 300 more points. So I will cover this. Sorry for being delayed, but it takes a lot of time. Now 100 points are left. So we are on 480. No, it's 450, sorry. Actually the font size is very less. So we have completed 500 points, and now I'll right click. So here is the minimum distance from point 1 to the 500 point. Now you have seen all the coordinates are marked here. Now I'll show you the XY coordinates Excel file which are saved here. Here is the X points. You can see here X coordinate, and here is the Y coordinate points. And here is our image. And here is our ideally shell, and it's showing the maximum distance between 2 points is 944. And here is all the details of this program. And if you like this video, like, share and comment down below, and thank you. So guys, as you can see, now I will show you the working of my project. So here is the image that I told you. So now we will mark 500 points and will write my roll number. It's very tricky part, so you need to be patient as it will take a lot of time. So I will write 2 0 7 0.